Dahil sa napakarami na ng mga instances na po pwedeng ang tao wala rito. Ang overseas, tingnan mo, tinayagan na ng COMELEC na makaboto sila itong internet. So makikita nyo yung bagong technology at dahil sa ito'y dala na rin ng panahon. Wala naman ang pakay nun eh. Pero sila, meron silang nakikita kagad na hindi namin ito yung nire-railroad. Kung maalala niyo, May 11 pa, minotion ko na yun. So kanina sinabi ko, I am just reiterating a previous motion that will not even require one day. Pero kanina, ang pinapaliwanag ko kaya hindi kami magkaintindihan, pinipilit ng mga kasama ko yung reliance nila on Section 24. I was trying to explain to them, Section 24 is a general provision. Ibig sabihin lahat, yung panglahatan. But kung mapapansin nyo, yung Section 136, paragraph 2, specific yun sa rules.
Apo.
Na pag-amend ng rules. So, ang sabi ko kanina, ulit-ulit kami. Sabi ko, ma'am, ang mahirap po kasi kung wala pong legal background po, talaga pong mahirap magkaintindihan. Kasi po, ito sasabihin ko rin, sa mga abogado kasi, alam nila yung special law, alam nila yung general law.
Kaya po na-insulto po.
So, nasa sa kanya yun. I was trying to explain to her, dapat maintindihan muna namin ang distinction. Para sa ganun, kung naintindihan niya yun, doon kami magdebate. Hindi special law yan. General law yan. But, principally, nagkaintindihan kami. Hindi mangyayari yun because doon pa lang isang premise, hindi na kami magkaintindihan. So, sinasabi niya, binibigyan ko ng masamang No. Sinabi ko, with no offense meant, sabi ko, mahihirapan kahit po siguro isang araw o isang linggo kaming nagdidebate, kung ang distinction na yun ay hindi nakikita, mahirap pong talagang magkaintindihan. Yun po yung yun ang discomfort ko. I'm sorry na maring sa panig nila ay may nasaktan. Wala pong pakay na gano'n. That's why I was trying to explain to her. Nakita nyo, siya pa yung sumugod sa akin. Dapat malinaw yun, siya yung sumugod sa akin.
Pero sir, pagka nga po ba naamyendahan ang rules ay mag-a-apply po yun? Halimbawa kay Senator De La Rosa, pwede pong magamit. Halimbawa may makulong pong senator.
Bago po yun kasi, hindi nga namin pagbubutuan lang muna sana namin para ma-take up namin.
Opo.
So, nag-propose si Senate President na magputuhan para ma-take up lang. Para sa gano'n, kung kailangan ko pang tumayo para i-depensa yung motion, hindi nga po napunta na ron eh. Bigla na silang nag-walk out. So, wala kaming pag-uusapan talaga. Tingnan po niyo yung nangyari. Kinwestiyon nila yung motion, pero bago nila ginawa yun, nag-walk out sila. Sino po yung bad faith? Sana po kung halimbawa, bigla na lang sa iba't ibang kadahilanan, umunti kami, lumipis kami, napansin ng tao na parang, bakit ko? Then, you can question decorum. Pero walang walang intention na masama. Pero, nakita nyo naman, sila na, ligayo, tayo, Tapos sa kanya po questionin ng quorum. That's bad faith.
Pero sir,
parang minamadali daw po ninyo yung pagtakil doon sa motion dahil nga daw po may mga ilang senador sa majority yung kakasuhan.
Possibly makukulong.
Din po.
Yun ang kanya siniisip. Yun ang iniisip niya.
Pero yun po
kaya ba ayaw niya ring madaliin namin? Dahil gusto niyang may makulong. Ganun ba? Because that argument can cut both ways. So, parang tungtuwa ba siya na mayroong makulong sa amin na hindi namin magamit yun? Kung talaga nagmamalasakit ka at we are colleagues here in one institution, dapat hindi siya magsasabi ng gano'n. Di ba?
Pero ganun po bang intention sir? Para po sa possible na makulong or wala dito?
Ang sinasabi ko
Yun ba
kanina
intention,
pa,
sir?
hindi dahil lamang doon. Ang sinasabi ko, maski ang COMELEC, pinayagan na nga na bumoto. Ito ay makabagong panahon na natin. Let us take advantage of modern technology. Communication, information technology. Pwede naman eh. Para sa ganun, lahat makapag-participate. You know that Congress is a deliberative body. It's a parliamentary institution. So lahat dapat magampanan ang tungkulin. Bakit mo i-deny sa kanya yun? Sabi naman namin doon, under justifiable conditions or situations. So, paliliwanag na, hindi pa nga kami makapag-debate. Kaya talagang kikil na sila.
So, pwedeng lumabas po sana yun sa debate, sir?
Sana nga, ganun lang. Kung hindi naman sila magbibigay ng pagkakataon, wala na talagang akala mo yun. Parang meron silang piniprevent na may sila pala yung, ang iisipan pala nila, ganun eh. Kami wala kaming iniisip na gano'n.
Pero sir, kung sakali, justifiable reason po ba para sa virtual attendance sa sesyon yung
Tsaka na natin
nagtatago
pag-usapan yun
si
kung mag-a-apply
Senator?
nga doon sa debate namin. Pag-uusapan pa namin yung motion eh.
Pero sir, originally po ba nakaschedule na pag-usapan po yan today?
Ma'am, alam mo yun, May 11 pa kung natatanda yun. Yung mga marami sa inyo nandun. May 11 sa nangyari. Isip-isipin mo, May 11 yun ha. Yung minority, sapagkat nakuha namin ng majority, nandun sila lahat sa lounge namin. So ako naman, kinukumusta ko naman sila. Saan nagpunta itong mga kasama ko? Nakita ko sa... Nagbiro pa nga ako eh. Mga bossing, mukha kayong malagihay lahat ha. Ba't ang pupula ng... Alam niya na ibig sabihin. Kaya kausap ko sila. At nung ipropose ko yun, isip-isipin mo kahit na mapupula, biglang may tumakbo agad. Talagang binabantayan na, parang bang napaka... Is there something spectacular? Yun ang ano, yun ang problema. Bakit parang napaka-special sa inyo? Parang bakit takot na takot ka ba kayo na i-amend natin ito? Ayaw ba ninyong i-take advantage sa modern technology? Paano ba tayo? Panahon pa ba tayo ng medieval age? Nandito na yung technology. At sisihin natin ng COMELEC. Kayo naman. Pati internet ginagamit na ninyo.
Pero sir, di ba
ganyan.
magbibigay ng special favor sa ibang senador? Kasi kayo lahat naman able-bodied.
They could say that. Pero wag dapat silang mag-speculate. Payagan muna nila
Yung debate.
yung aming trabaho, deliberative body, parliamentary body. Ang problema, kayo alam niyo, merong isa dyan, tatayo. Pag in-interpolate mo, tatakbo. Nangingiti ka, kilala mo, di
And
ba?
you're referring to...
Ikaw na, kilala mo sila. Tatayo siya. Pag gusto mo siyang interpolate, tatakbo siya dun sa lounge, o kaya aakyat siya, at ang karaniwang ginagawa, pupunta siya sa inyo. Interview rito, interview doon. Hindi po ganun ang Congress. Hindi po ganun ang Senate. Either nakidebate ka, kung ayaw mo makipagdebate, you have no right to become a senator of this republic. Kung mag-walk out ka lang, kayo po. Ngayon po, baka ang iniisip nila ngayon, parang kami na naman ang masama. Hindi po kami nag-walk out. You just imagine this. Hindi ba kami, mga mature na tao, na pag-usapan namin ito? Binoto po kami para pagdebatihin ang lahat ng bagay. Bakit ka mag-walk out? Bakit ka mag-walk out? Yung mandato bang pinigay sa iyo ng bayan, hindi importante sa iyo. Natatakot ka bang makipagdebate? Yun ang problema nila eh. Kami po hindi kami yung gumagawa. Hindi kami nag-uumpisa nito. So they just walk out and then they question the quorum.
Then,
What do you think?
Pero sir, your comment
No, what do you think?
Your comment
Teka muna. They walk out and somebody was left to just move to adjourn. What do you think?
dahil wala pong quorum.
Sila nga nagbigay ng condition pa mawala ang quorum. So, plano nila yun eh. So what do you think?
Sir, what do you think, sir? Kasi kayo ang magbobotohan.
Kayo,
Doon kayo
ako siyempre,
nagdi-debate
kailangan
eh.
naman magtanong naman ako sa inyo. Hindi naman ko palagi.
So, hindi namin pwede i-quote ang sarili namin eh. Kayo po i-quote namin sa report
I'm not
namin.
asking you as a reporter,
Opo.
but a patriotic citizen of this republic. Lahat tayo kasama rito. Gusto ko makita nyo yung distinction. Salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Sir, meron lang po.
News reports that probably two of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend. Is that the reason why? Is that the reason why they have to have this inserted, this Section 41C, para makaboto po kung sino man yung makukulong dahil sa announcement ng ombudsman na may lalabas na po ang warrant ng ilan sa mga kasama natin, Madam President?
Hindi siya bagong motion. Kasasabi ko lang po, May 11, minub ko na po ito
Madam
Sino po
President,
magsasabi na bagong motion?
point of order. Ad hominem.
Sinasabi ko lamang po, ang
Hindi,
sinasabi
Madam
ko lang,
President,
kanina ko po sinasabi.
Hindi po tama yun.
Section
Sasabihin yung kasama
136.
niya.
Madam
Before we-
President, motion to adjourn is
Senate
not
President.
debatable. Akala ko ba magaling sa rules?
We're not debating.
It's not
We're not
debatable.
debating
Madam
minority
President,
report.
move to adjourn.
We're not debating,
and
Madam
we
Chair.
Madam President, I would just like to reiterate for the record the proposal to amend Rule 14, Section 41, Senate session. The proposal, Madam President, is by way of an additional paragraph Section 41C. After Section 41B of Rule 14 of the Senate Rules, which will state as follows. Section 41C, allow a senator for justifiable reasons to attend and participate in the session through teleconference, video conference, or other reliable forms of remote or electronic means using appropriate information and communication technology. I so move, Madam President.
We take note of the motion of Senator Rodante Marcoleta. I recognize Senator Ping Lacson.
Yes, thank you, Madam
Yes.
President. This is a parliamentary inquiry. What is the status of the motion introduced by the Honorable Marcoleta last May 11? Has it been referred to the Committee on Rules?
I am told that it's been referred to the Committee on Rules. Majority Leader?
Okay.
Yes, it has been referred to the Committee on Rules, and that's why in this particular deliberation, the Committee on Rules is giving it back to the floor for a plenary action, Madam President.
Thank you, Mr. President. Has the Committee on Rules been constituted?
I believe that Senator Joel Villanueva is the acting majority leader.
Yes.
And would be the best position
Okay.
to answer
Thank
the
you,
question.
Madam President.
In the meantime, I recognize Senate President Cayetano.
Madam Chair, with the permission of Senator Villanueva, so the Committee on Rules is not reporting out the...
No, my
The
question, Mr.
proposal.
President, I'm sorry,
Yes.
Madam President, with your permission. My question is, has the Committee on Rules been constituted?
Yes. So, Madam President, the answer there is the same answer to the question of Senator Pangilinan and former Senate President Soto, that in accordance with Section 19, this is the same. They continue to function. Having said that, I was explaining that the motion of Senator Villanueva was not for the Committee on Rules to report out what was referred to them, but to return to the plenary. Because if you look at Section 136 of our rules, the rules may be amended by means of a motion, which should be presented at least one day before its consideration, and a vote of majority senators present shall be required for its approval. So you do not need the endorsement nor the forwarding of the Committee of Rules for the amendment of the Committee on for the amendments of the rules. So the only requirement is that it is put on the floor at least one day before, or the proposal is made, and that a majority of the senators present will vote for its approval. So I just wanted to clarify that, just so that we don't have any miscommunication that whether or not the Rules Committee met, who are the members, etc. Because right now that's irrelevant, because we have given back to the plenary the proposal. Yeah.
Very clear. Thank you, Senate President.
Madam President,
Senator Lacson's recommendation.
does it mean that we are now disregarding the committees of the Senate? So the committee chairman or the chairman of any committee, including the Rules Committee, may just report out any motion or any resolution referred to it in plenary, and then just, it is within his power to just report it out by himself without any deliberation in the committee, without any committee report. Is that the new rule now, Mr. President, Madam President?
It is
Madam
clearly...
There's no new rule. I read the rule.
Yes.
Senator Lacson is referring to resolutions or
And motions.
communications or anything referred to the Committee on Rules. We're talking about a motion to amend the rules. We had the option of taking it up, but since everyone asked for one more day, it was given to the Committee on Rules. The Committee on Rules has an option to take it up, but the acting majority leader or acting chairman of the committee gave it back to plenary, and the plenary is more, how do I put it? Supreme, thank you, Senator Lacson, over the committee. So we didn't disregard the committee. It is our choice from the start whether we want to give it to the committee or not. So when we give it, so for example, I have a motion now to to extend the session to June 12 instead of June 5. That could be given to the Committee on Rules, or upon coordination with the House, the plenary can decide it directly, or we can give it to the Committee on Rules, and after he talks to the House of Representatives, he can even report it out, or he can easily, legally, morally, just say that I am tossing it back to the plenary, which is what's happening today.
Thank
it's
you,
not a
Madam
new rule.
President. That is assuming that there was no referral. But in this case, and I'd like to invite the attention of the body to Journal number 62, dated May 11, 2026. And if I may... read the particular portion of this journal. Proposed at 6:25 p.m., the session was resumed. Proposed amendment to the rules of the Senate. Senator Marcoleta proposed an amendment to Rule 14, Senate sessions of the rules, by inserting a new paragraph C under Rule 41, which reads, A or C, allow a senator for justifiable reasons to attend and participate in the session through teleconference, video conference, or other reliable forms of remote or electronic means using appropriate information and communications technology. Now, here's the portion, Mr. President, or Madam President. While expressing no objection to the proposal, Senate President Cayetano A. suggested giving the Committee on Rules time to discuss the matter. Now, my question is, was there any discussion by the Committee on Rules? Apparently, there was none, because it's now being reported out by the acting majority leader without consultation with any of the members. And by the way, Madam President, wala pang Committee on Rules eh.
I believe that it was mentioned, and I will reiterate, from my understanding, that there was no Committee on Rules meeting because that motion is reverted back to plenary.
Yeah, Madam Chair.
Meaning, we are not ignoring the fact that, of course, committees must hold meetings, but this particular motion is being referred back to plenary. And may we just put on record, it says in Rule or Section 136, the rules may also be amended by means of a motion which should be presented at least one day, and we're complying with that, before its consideration, and the vote of the majority of the senators present in the session shall be required for its approval. I believe that is what the Senate President had explained.
Evidently, Madam President, action was taken. And the action was to refer it to the Committee on Rules, since the position of Majority Floor Leader was vacated. So how can the committee properly function in the absence of a committee of the committee members?
As
Madam
the
Chair.
Senate President
Madam Chair.
had stated,
Let me finish,
there is
Madam
a rule
President.
of a continuing operations of the committee,
But they
while
were
the new
vacated,
head has
Madam
not
President. Walang members ang Committee on Rules. So we cannot invoke continuity because we vacated all committees, all positions, including the members. And may I invite you to Section 24 of our rules, Madam President. The committees shall hold meetings to discuss, decide, and submit a report on all matters transmitted to them. This was transmitted to the Committee on Rules. So the committees shall hold, including the Committee on Rules, shall hold meetings to discuss, decide, and submit a report. There's no report, Mr. President or Madam President.
Madam President.
So we're violating our own rules.
We recognize Senate President.
Yeah, Mr. President, the chair already made the ruling, and it's not appropriate to argue with the chair because, as explained to Senator Lacson, the committee did not report it out. He read the journal of May 11, but he did not read the motion of Senator Joel today. His motion today was pursuant to Rule 136 of the rules, a motion to amend the rules, meaning if Joel was no longer the majority leader, if I was the majority leader now, or even an ordinary member, that motion was carried. No one objected that we take it up. Because, Madam Chair, we're bringing it back to plenary. So natural po, walang discussion sa Committee on Rules. Kasi wala naman po sa rules natin na kailangan i-discuss sa Committee on Rules. We did that on May 11 so that everyone will have an opportunity to study the rule. It's a very simple amendment. So we should go to the discussion of the amendment if anyone is objecting to the amendment. But definitely, the right to propose an amendment is a right guaranteed by our rules. Senator Marcoleta has an amendment. We should go to discussing the merits or demerits of having that rule. You already ruled that it is proper for the plenary to take it up. So may I request or move that we, if there are any objection, we discuss their objection.
I'm objecting. That's the effect of my manifestation, Madam President. I'm objecting because I'm invoking Section 24 of our rules. And as I read into the records, the Journal of May 11, 2026, na-refer po ito sa Committee on Rules. And there was no discussion. Action was taken actually by this body.
Then, Madam Chair, if there's an objection, may I move that we divide the House?
Point of order, Madam President.
On that issue, not on the issue of whether or not the rule is good. Your issue is whether or not it's proper to take it up on the floor. The position of the majority is that there's no rule being violated. So we will vote. The presiding officer has already ruled, but the gentleman continues to object. So we have to vote on it.
Mr. President,
We're not
objection.
voting on the amendment yet. We're voting on whether
Yes.
the amendment is proper or not.
Yes, interjection, Madam President.
Yes, Minority Leader, Senator Soto.
We will have to support that resolution or thinking of Senator Lacson, which is we did not constitute the Committee on Rules. So what are we discussing right now? I suggest that we constitute the Committee on Rules and discuss it there. How do I know this? Ako minority leader hindi ako member ng rules. Ex officio Tumawag ba? Hindi. Ano to? Binabraso?
Point of order, Madam Chairman. Where in the rules does it say that an amendment has to pass the Committee on Rules?
Section 24, Madam President.
Anong sabi po sa Section 24?
The committee shall hold meetings to discuss, decide, and submit a report on all matters transmitted to them.
Madam
And this-
Chairman, that's
thank
not
you.
the rule. The rule
Yes.
is 136.
136. Can you
So-
please, for the third time, may we request the Senate President to read into the
The
record
rules
Rule
may be amended
136.
by means of a motion which would be presented at least one day before its consideration, and the vote of the majority of the senators present in the session hall shall be required for its approval. So I respect their objection. But how do we determine objections in this Senate? We vote. So if there is an objection, they have already explained their position. We have explained our position. I move that we divide the House, Madam Chair.
May I, Mr. President? We are several members of the minority here, and only Senator Lacson has spoken. Why are we railroading this process, Mr. President?
Madam
I have a
Chair.
number of issues that I'd like to raise regarding this motion, Mr.